If you're looking for ways to make money for free, then this video is for you, because I will show you 3 online methods that actually work and that you can get started with very easily, no matter your background and your skills. My name is Michael, and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many of you have asked me, if I am a complete beginner, how do I get started to just earn some extra money on the side? And therefore I decided to record this video where I'll show you some specific platforms, some specific methods that are the absolute easiest and fastest ways to get started as a complete beginner if you want to start earning some extra money online. So before I go over these methods, I just want to make clear what you can expect, because these methods are 100% free. You can join them no matter where you're from, what your background is, no matter your skills, and you can actually start earning right away. But you do need to be realistic. It's not methods to become rich. You're not becoming rich online overnight without any effort or anything like that. If anyone claims that, they will just end up scamming you. What I will show you are legit methods where you can do some tasks, join completely for free, no investment at all, start earning, and then you can get paid and start earning some extra money on the side. And the methods I will show you here are the absolute easiest and fastest ways to get started as a beginner in my experience. And as mentioned, I have tested hundreds of different ways to earn online, and I also have more than 8 years of experience earning online. And the methods I will show you is not as such a prioritized list, because which of the options are the best really depends on your personal preferences and how much time you want to put in. So I'll just go over these 3 different methods, show you some examples for each of these methods, and then you can decide which of the options sounds like the best match for you. So if we are talking about easy ways to start earning online, we have to talk about paid service. This is how I started earning online myself, because it is completely free. You just join, you start answering some service, and then you start earning right away. Some people don't like surveys because they think it's boring. Other people love that they're able to share your opinion. But no matter what, it is just the reality that it's one of the easiest ways to start earning a bit extra. How much you can earn depends on the country you live in, but overall, one of the fastest ways to start earning. If you don't like service, then don't worry, I'll talk about other options as well. But just to give you a few examples, one option here, for example, is Prime Opinion, that's available in more than 40 countries. It has very high paying service, easy to use. Another one is FreeCast, where you can also find other ways to earn, but it has some of the highest paying service, a low payout threshold. You can join it from all countries. But the most important when it comes to service site is to find the right ones for your country, because the ones that are best in one country are not necessarily the best in another. And many people don't tell you that, and they just say this is the best service site. Well, it might be for them, but not necessarily for others. So that's why I have spent a lot of time manually building out, as you can see on my website, list for specific countries. I'll leave a link to this list below. You can go there, choose your country, and then there is a list that I also keep updating these lists when I test new sites. If something changes, some sites might not be good anymore, I keep updating these manually to make the best possible lists. So just go here, choose your country. In case your country is not on this list, then it means that there are still survey opportunities, but just not as many. But then you can go for the international ones where you can still find some surveys. But let's now talk about another free way you can easily start earning some money online also. So a method that I really think is interesting and fun if it comes to earning online is to do user tests. There are a ton of different websites that offer that. You just join. Sometimes you record your screen while you think out loud. Sometimes you can participate in interviews, but while you're testing apps, games, websites, super fun, and usually it pays quite well for your time. You should just join several sites, because usually you don't get a lot of opportunities on each site, but if you join many of them, then you will regularly get some, and it can be a really good way to earn some extra money on the side. I do have this list on my website here where I have listed many of the best ones, where you can also find full tutorials and joining links for some really great user testing platforms. I also keep updating that. So that's definitely one you can check out if you think this sounds interesting for you. So the last option I wanted to talk about is to earn crypto for free, because there is a lot of interest in crypto, and a lot of people predict it has a huge future and the value can go up over time for many different cryptos. And you might want to get started, but you don't have a lot to invest. You don't really want to invest much because you need to use whatever you have for other purposes. So then what you can then do is to actually earn crypto for free. There are many platforms that offer that. One method is, for example, Pawns. Another one is Grass here. These offers you to earn passively just by installing it. Another one, FreeCash, that I already mentioned earlier. You can do these tasks. You can actually get paid in crypto. So there are many different ways if you want to get into crypto, but without risking investing anything you already have, then you can use these different platforms to earn it without investing anything. I do have this list on my website also here, where I have many more options to, for example, earn Bitcoin for free, no investment at all, full tutorials, joining, so you can easily get started with the different platforms that I have tested that I know actually do pay. So that was the 3 easy methods I wanted to show you. There are a ton more free ways to earn online and a ton more platforms, but I also referred to some lists where you can find more options. But this is just to give you an example, to give you an easy start if you've just been frustrated about ways like how can you start making money without investment. And it is actually quite easy. You just need to find the right platforms, do it with the right expectations, be willing to put in a bit of time and effort. And as mentioned, I will leave links that I mentioned here below to these lists so you can go and find more information, easily get started on my website. And in general, if you want more in-depth information about different free ways and how to optimize your ways of earning online. So I also have a free email course where I go over a lot of different things. You just need to share your email and then you will get an email daily with a lot of different tips and tricks that I have learned when it comes to earning online over the past 8 years of me earning online. So I'll leave a link to that below so you can also go and sign up for that if you want to. But no matter what, if this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.